Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to unbox the Woozoo glow fan. Um, this fan is I purchased from Costco. It is available in Costco right now. They are having a sale on this $10 off. The regular price the regular price of this fan is $39.99. Currently they have $10 off and it's $29.99. I just purchased. This is a glow fan for desk. You can put on the desk, and it comes with, they are saying 5 years warranty. It has a remote where you can control the speed of the fan and also the air oscillation and everything. So this fan looks pretty good for me, like small places, even though this says it can cover up to 353 feet square feet. I'm not sure, but the it's very quiet when I saw it in Costco, and I think it's good for small room for personal use. So friends, let's open the box. So I'm going to open the box. So this is the manual. Obviously you should read the manual before using it. This is the remote. Yes, this is the remote, and it is coming like this. Let me take it off. So let me take it out. Nothing else. So this is the thing. It looks pretty good. It looks nice. I like this design. It really looks really good. I think this is the IR reception, and you can see here is the controls, and also that's all. So this is the remote, and let me take it out. Here is the holder. You can see, and that's all. So let me connect it to the power and check it out how it behaves. So this is the remote, and you need to take out this plastic. Yep, so it should be fine. Let me connect it to the power. So friends, I just connected to the power, and let me press the button, the power button. So the fan turns on, and it's pretty quiet. I don't know, but the um, airflow is really good. It's nice. Let me increase the speed. So it has 5 speeds, and really friends, it's really high speed. I think you cannot see that, you cannot feel it from the video, but I know it's really very good. As a desk fan, the force is really good when it is high, and it's cool air is flowing. Even though my house temperature is right now 78, but I feel cool. That's good. and it has a timer also. You can set the timer using this button. Also you can set the timer from the remote, and also like different airflow mode. So this one, and oscillation. So oscillation, you can see there is another oscillation like this. I'm not sure what does it mean. Let me check that. Oh, this is really good. This is really good oscillation. So you can see how it actually, if you put the fan actually on the floor and you are working, let's say somewhere doesn't have enough space, you can put this. This is really good. It covers a lot of areas. Nice. I like this oscillation. So this one, I turn it off, so we set it to that. This is really good. So friends, that's all. And it has a timer. You can set the timer like for 1 hour, 2 hour, or 3 hour, 4 hour. So you can set that also. Mainly that's all about this fan. So friends, that's all about this fan. One thing is, when it is very low speed mode, I am hearing some noise. I'm not sure if you will it be captured by this video or not. So there is some noise which is removed when I speed up. So that one thing I notice. I'm not sure how that noise is coming. Other than everything looks fine for me. So friends, that's all about this fan. Please let me know how do you like this video. If you have any thoughts, please put it in the comment and share it with me. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a good time.